Y'all probably heard the news this week. Anthropic proposed a settlement of $1.5 billion to pay authors at an average of $3,000 a book for materials that they actually bought from what are called pirated databases, LibGen and another one. But what's important is they've actually set a number to what is happening in valuations. You know, what's really exciting? Now we have a number. And in my 2 years of researching at the AI Optimist, I've been gathering information about what people would pay for images, videos, what you can get from AI licensing. And what if I told you right now, as you listen to this, creators are earning real money from AI training. Most people have no idea it's happening. Now, I'm not saying you're going to get rich overnight, but there's actually a break now. Finally, with the AI crash happening, the truth is coming out. They're going to have to pay for content. So Anthropic's $1.5 billion settlement could pay those who are in that database $3,000 apiece. But I found other evidence of it last year when HarperCollins was making deals, getting $5,000 and splitting it 50-50 with authors. This is really happening now. And if you develop content, write books, create videos, this series is going to show you for the first time a document that I call AI Training Content Valuations, what I think is the very first kind that's gone through all the different markets, which I'm going to outline for you, and also give you my favorite player to play with that's not even going to cost you anything up front. Only when you get licensed, they take a percentage. So while everybody else is hiding behind NDAs and vague promises, I'm publishing the first comprehensive map of the AI training economy, and I'm going to be updating this. Hey, this is early days. These are no promises, but if you're creating content, don't you want to know what value it might have to AI, where the business might or might not exist, and how you can move forward as we're switching instead of waiting for the clickbait headlines you're going to read? Come on in with me.